Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about kicking. Yes, kicking, it's a great form of exercise. The first kick I'll go through today is the front kick. I'll then move through a roundhouse kick, the side kick, the hook kick, so 4 basic kicks, inside and outside crescent kicks as well. But today the front kick. And when I'm performing the front kick, this can be done in various ways. It could be a flick up, a snap kick, or it could be a thrust kick, pressing forward. Okay, it depends on your circumstances, your target, and so on. So 2 different ways to do this. First of all, my stance, how do I stand? Well, in the front kick, I'm going to be in a boxer stance, and I want to be feet hip to shoulder width. I don't want to be on a tightrope here, and I have no balance. Okay, feet hip to shoulder width. And for the purpose of kicking, I'm going to have my back heel off the mat. I'm not going to be flat-footed. Okay, I have my back heel off so that I can spring. I can spring off the ball mount of the toes and snap it forward with speed and power. If my foot is flat, then I lose. It's milliseconds, but I lose that time. Okay, so the first thing about this kick is stance. Okay, here I am facing my target. That would be you. I'm going to turn this toe out. Now I don't have to do that before the kick, but I do want this toe turned out because when I turn this foot out at 45 degrees, I now have lateral stability and stability in front and behind. I can stand here pretty much all day long. If I do this, I go here and all of a sudden my ankle is now rotating and trying to balance me laterally, and that doesn't work very well. So what I want to do is turn this foot out or turn the heel in as I kick. Either is fine. It's way more stable to turn this foot out initially. Okay, I'm going to switch sides. You can see the same thing on the other side. Turn this foot out and chamber in front. And my chamber, my knee is up in front vertically. I'm trying to lift this knee as high as I can. Number one, it's protecting me. Okay, so if some kick or a punch, low punch comes in, I can bring this up and deflect pretty much anywhere in front. But also, I always want to be able to chamber and come back to that chamber for control. So, toes turn out, hands in front of me, doesn't matter where, but I want them in front of me. Find my chamber. I'm going to lift my toes. Okay, so I want to kick with the ball mount of the foot in this kick. Now you can kick with the heel. It reduces the range of motion, but it increases power. However, it also adds the ability to hyperextend your knee pretty easily. So for beginners, I would suggest kicking with the ball mount instead of the heel. And I'm going to flick it forward, not hyperextend the knee. So from the side, I'm slightly bent. I still have, you can see I still have more to go there. I'm slightly bent. Then I'll rechamber, and then I'll put it down. I could go to the other side, same thing, lift, kick, back to the chamber and down. And I want to control that second chamber particularly because I should be able to kick twice. 1, 2, without putting my knee down. I don't want to bring it down and then fling it up. There's no control there. I want to kick, kick. Okay? And being able to kick twice or 3 or 4 or however many times you want is a great way to determine if you have control, balance, and stability and so on. It's a great workout. So front kick, coming from the back leg anyway, this is a power kick now. I'm going to lift that knee up toward my chest and then thrust forward with the sole of the foot, the heel, the ball mount, whatever works for me, and press. And as I do, I am going to lean back a little to counter that leg. But as I'm leaning back, I'm crunching. Slight crunch here. I don't just want to lean back and dump into my lower back. So, crunching, looking at my target. Slight bend in that knee, I still have more to go. Chamber, put it back down. That's a rear leg front kick. Of course, there's also a front leg front kick which has less power but more speed. And that would be used like a jab. Pop, pop, and then come in with either a punch or a rear leg power kick. Okay? So you can just come from what we call a cat stance, shift your weight back nonchalantly. Here's my target. I'm being harassed. Now I can come forward with the kick and flick it out, but because this kick has less power, this lead leg front kick, I'm more apt to let my target get a little closer to me and of course not in the ring, but in the real world, once my target gets closer to me, I'm going to use my shin, my own personal baseball bat, on the groin. Flick. Doesn't have to be hard, it just has to be accurate. Okay? Nothing works if you miss, but it does not have to be hard. Doesn't even have to be particularly fast, but it's very easy to distract somebody here and then flick out with that front leg, that lead leg, front kick to the groin. Okay? Otherwise, if there's more distance or I have something to balance on, I'm going to come from the rear leg and throw power into that kick to push that person back. Okay, so there's the front kick. Remember that when we're kicking, we want to be able to chamber and kick again. 1, 2, put it down. 1, 2, 3, put it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, put it down. Not drop it down. Put it down where you want to, okay? And that's really important. So there you have the front kick. I'll move on next to the roundhouse kick. You'll see in the next video. Then the side kick and then the hook kick, using all the same principles of the chamber, the control, standing leg slightly bent, not hyperextending the knee, facing your target, relaxing the upper body, other than just crunching in, keeping myself engaged for balance, okay? There you have it. I hope you enjoy that. I will be back with another video.